Newly released reports say last month's earthquakes caused more than $5 billion in damage to China Lake Naval Air Weapons Station. The Navy says it is estimated the cost will be about $2.2 billion alone to repair buildings at the base. About 20% of the buildings have been declared unsafe or they've had their use restricted. More than half of the buildings at the base date back before 1980. And some go back to World War II. Many of these buildings don't meet current earthquake safety standards. The rest of the money would go toward replacing furniture, tools, communications equipment, and other specialized equipment.